Hello. Namaste everyone.
One,
From yeah, I am able to hear you.
we are able to hear you. 1 second, madam. Seema will introduce you. Seema, it is your
Yes, sir. Yes,
time.
sir. Yes,
Please
sir.
go ahead. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to one and all. Myself, Advocate Seema Carvalho, practicing in labor codes, civil codes, consumer codes, and I am the moderator of today's webinar. Thanks to Law and Society Alliance, who is the co-host of today's event, and a LawCog, the media partner of the event. Law and Society Alliance is a nationalistic organization which conducts webinars on issues of national society, education, society, medical issues, etc. I thank to Advocate N.C. Bipendra, who is advocate in a Supreme Court and a Delhi High Court, editor of Defense Capital and a chairman of Law and Society Alliance and a co-founder of Legal Cells. And a special thanks to Advocate H. Kumar Vaidyanathan, Secretary General of Law and Society Alliance and a co-founder of Legal Cell. Now, without taking too much time, coming to our today's event, and our topic is mediation, and ADR means to reduce the litigation. And our guest and speaker is Advocate Purnima. She has done her master's in labor law, and she is working as a mediator in a Bangalore mediation center appointed to Legal Court of Karnataka, and also she has been enrolled in a panel advocate for Karnataka State Financial Corporation, Karnataka Housing Boards, BESCOM, and KSRTC. My request you to all, please mute yourself. If you have any queries, questions, or comments, please drop it in the chat box. We will take it later on. Now over to you, Advocate Purnima, madam.
Yeah, namaste everyone. Thank you, Seema. I was very happy to hear you and see you first time. I'm Purnima. You must be knowing CV Purnima now from Bangalore BMC. I worked as an advocate for since 25 years and since mediator. So I take an opportunity to see that the people are being reunion and the many problems of the people, public, that is solved by mediation only. This is the best way like where we can opt, many of the cases being dealt from the court can be from section 89 has made that can be transferred to mediation. It refers back to mediation. Before telling this, I want to thank you, Sir Kumar Hassan and Vikindra and all of you for giving me an opportunity to speak here. First of all, so I'll be giving you the what is about mediation and ADR means to reduce litigation. In this mediation, 89 of CPC is settlement of disputes outside the court, where it appeared to the court that there exists elements of settlement which may be acceptable to the parties. The court shall formulate the terms of settlement and give them to the parties for their observation. After receiving the observations of the parties, the court may reformulate the terms of the possible settlement and refer the same for the arbitration, conciliation, judicial settlement, including settlement through Lok Adalat and mediation. So likewise, a mediation is a voluntary process. So join hand with the intent to settle their dispute mutually. The parties are ensured complete autonomy. They are the ultimate decision makers. Ma'am, am I audible?
Ma'am, you will have to come closer. Like you
Okay.
yeah. Now you hear better. Yeah.
Fine, sir. Thank you. Yeah, now you are you audible, sir?
Now you are audible. Please continue.
Yes, thank you, sir. So, I've given you the definition of mediation now so far. So now, do I want me to explain again, to repeat it? If it is
please repeat it. It was not recorded properly.
okay. Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello. So now I'll start again, sir. About Section 89 of CPC, settlement of dispute outside the courts, whereas it appeared to the court that there exist elements of a settlement which may be acceptable to the parties. The court shall formulate the terms of settlement and give them to the parties for their observation. And after receiving the observation of the parties, the court may reformulate the terms of possible settlement and refer the same for arbitration, conciliation, judicial settlement, including settlement through Lok Adalat and mediation. So mediation is a voluntary process, joint hands with intent to settle their dispute mutually. The parties are ensured complete autonomy. They are the ultimate decision makers, sir. There will be no force. Mediation is different from courts, adjudication and arbitration. Based by the decision of the third party, the judge and the arbitrator, whereas in mediation, the dispute is settled by the parties all by themselves, thus even pushing aside even the mediator from the decision making powers. Mediation gives flexibility. Our procedure can change anytime. Court is having rigidity. In arbitration procedure, settled norms cannot be changed unless both the parties agree. After having opted for arbitration, no single party can withdraw ultimately. Whereas in mediation can walk off at any time, twice before signing of the agreement. Court and arbitration consuming time, costly, awkward, and challenged. So bargaining explores when we start in mediation, but whereas we cannot do in the courts as such, like bargaining and all, concluding which is binding on both till it goes to the court.
Madam, sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Please keep your mic closer to you because your sound is breaking.
Mic. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Is it okay? Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe due to this earphone, I was not unable to concentrate also.
No problem.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Yeah, thank you. It builds up a relationship with the parties. The satisfaction. Parties go with the satisfaction that both the parties will agree and go together, and which was broken, that we may do it in our mediation. It ensures future welfare of all the concerned children and the parents. Mediation may be called appropriate dispute resolution process. Resolves bad feelings and creates a new relationship. And it facilitates to encourage them to exchange and discuss their views and versions face to face with the aid of assistance of the professional, qualified, and well-intended neutral third party called that is the mediator. There will be finality to the court process, whereas arbitral award can be questioned in the court of law. The legislature has taken care to ensure that all court annexed or referred mediation or settlement have the sanctity of enforceable judicial orders as per the scheme of the section 74 of the and read with section 36 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act of 1996. So now I was telling about all the main things. I will tell you my experience as such, how I have come across as a mediator. That is, mediation is an assisted negotiation. We assist the public, like how I'll be as a mediator, and two parties at the either side they'll be there, and with the help of their advocates, they come. I'm not here to say that court is bad, but ultimately court is the main thing where they will be the once whatever we do the agreement as such, if the finality is done, they only approve, and the parties have the right till the last time of even if they enter to the last to the court, they can if they can go back if they are not happy. It is a voluntary. They'll be voluntarily saying that we want divorce or they want to go back. Many of the matters will be dealt and we can speak there itself. And the mediator will be a neutral party. So he'll be a good listener. He will listen to both the parties, and we have joint session and private session. Joint session when it is done, both the parties' views will be told one by one, and they have to maintain the decorum while they speak. The anger, all the things comes out at the starting. Then when we speak in the private session, there individually will be dealing with the parties, both the parties will be dealing privately. And sometimes we speak to the advocates also, and sometimes to the parties, and some family members also are involved. Even we are taking care of their parents also, their view also. And sometimes some hidden things which is not known from the party itself, the other person, whoever has come with him or with her, they help us to solve the problem. We try to solve the problem by talking to their own family members, and sometimes even the advocates also help. Without advocates, we cannot do anything. They are the main thing who help us to do things. It doesn't mean advocates cannot do, and we need the help of advocates. And we maintain the confidentiality that when the parties we spoken, many of the hidden things, even the other party or the any other opposite party will not know what she has felt or he has felt during the lifespan. Those will be told to us, and we keep it confidentially, and that can be solved by telling certain things where the party is hurt and how we can best solve. That they won't be knowing why the issue has come. Only with the help of mediator, these problems can be solved by we do the reframing. When we reframe, if any mistakes committed from them or whatever it is, other person, if he has not heard, he will hear again and he will understand in the joint session also. And it is made to understand to the both of the parties, and that is done so that they can get it cleared. During the course of family life or whatever it is, commercial work, they have their own views, but they won't be knowing the inner hidden things of the person, what is in their mind, why they are hurt, why the behavior is like this, what made them to behave in this fashion. All those things can be, and are not able to talk to their partners, whoever it is, that can be done. Those things will be dealt, and even their behavior pattern a little bit they expect to change. And when we cannot change anybody particularly things, but we can make them to understand and see to that how best we can solve their problem. Since quite a longer year they would have come, stayed together, or dealt with the business or the family partition matters, many of the things arises. And we see to that in mediation, the family, like partition cases, they file. We see to that the cordiality is maintained by the family members in the mediation. Whereas if they individually are with their family members, if they speak, the fight may take place. Whereas here, that won't arise. We try to make them solve, the calmness will be there, and what they want, one will be a winner, other may be a loser. But here we make them understand it is the family members and how amicably that can be solved. The partition can be done likewise, and the parents' view also we take, because they have made this family and the children are in fight. So even cordiality will be maintained. then both the parties will go happy hand in hand. They'll go together. Not like how they came with a fighting spirit. They come here. First are 2-3 sessions we have. Nearly fourth or fifth, sixth sessions. It will be calmed. And in mediation, the duration of time will be 2 months, 60 days. If we like it is likely to settle the matter, will know that. We evaluate that, see to that how the parties are, even they also start evaluating. Yes, now that it has matter has come here. They come with a view to settle only, not with a fighting spirit. Because once they come for mediation, it is understood they come for solving their problem to get a solution. And sometimes they have parties are assured for misunderstandings will be there. All those misunderstandings will be wiped out when they talk personally to me privately. At that time, I try to solve that to the other party. If the party says in private, can I say to the other party? Then only that can be done. Without her or his permission, I cannot convey the other for the other person. I'll be in the neutral party, but whenever it is necessary, I say them. And it is not a forceful act, like it's a compulsion of them to, you have to do this, you have to sign for this agreement. It is not a force. Unless until both the parties agree and the concerned connected other persons agree, then only the agreement will be done. And which is done, that will be which we do is that will become a finality. The agreement what is done, and when they go back to court, they after signing, that will become a document. Okay. In between, what happens is, like if they are not happy in the mediation, they can walk out. It is their right to walk out if they are not. Sometimes after some they go back to court, then after some time they feel like again they'll come back to mediation. Again we have a session. We have seen some of the cases there, they come back to the courts and for mediation, and they've solved and gone. 2 to 3, 4, 5 sessions. Our Bangalore mediation is very best, like I can tell, number one we can tell. We have solved many of the cases. I'm proud of being a BMC member also. And with what mind they come to mediation, with a spirit they come, that is being changed. Their position will be shifted to the other, like, with a good more thing they come. The grudge, whatever grudge, all those things can be removed here. And they know that why the other person is behaving in this fashion, what is her problem. And once during having this continuity of mediation, all the things will come down, and they try to solve their problem, and we are see that families are being kept in reunion, and it should not be broken. Since our community is Hindu community, and we see to that it should not be shattered. And it is not only the husband and wife relationship are the family members, the children are issued. We mainly concentrate on the children because they will be shattered like anywhere. Who is going to take care of? Either if they nowadays single families, there won't be parents, they'll be staying to husband and wife, and that's all. And they won't be going to their mother's house. So many issues will be there. Who is going to take care? Either the mother or the father. If the mother is taking care, the alimony, if they want to take divorce, alimony will be provided to the mother, and she will be taking care of the child. And in that, we'll see to that visitation rates, guardianship act, those cases also will be closed. Like if many of the cases have been filed, DV Act cases they'll file, 498 cases will be filed. All those cases can be solved here itself, so that the parties will have that fear that 498 will have to go behind the bar. Even that is also being solved here, and deviant cases also is being solved. And the parties, children will be with the parents, and the visitation rights will be given to the both the parents. Like in the holidays, they can stay in the half with mother, half with father. And what is the timings? When are they going to meet? Which time? With amicability, giving their numbers and some LIC policies. So many policies such will be done to the children's welfare. All those things will be seen to that welfare of the children also is sometimes for the mother also alimony is given so that she can also take care of the family. And they go with a hand happily. That doesn't mean that one person has won the matter, other person is not won. Both of them will go with happy go. And sometimes they go happily separate. And we have come across seen that they go separately. After some time, they feel they want to remarriage. They want to come back and live together. All such examples are there. And sometimes financial matters, they'll have the fights or whatever it is. Those things also can be led by doing the negotiation. The financial issues is being solved so that either they may live less or more. So even in the court, the years together they go for the court and fight for many years, but they have not got the justice. But in court we can get justice. But the inner thing of the family members, are the relationship, the friendship, are the company matters, whatever it is, that can be reopened and again they can start the business. When the outcome of the things, whatever has been come out, those will be cleared for them. And again, they can start their company or whatever it is. Small mistakes or whatever, those can be solved in mediation. And we should see to that agreement is a finality, which is not like you will appealable. Once it is done, that is because it is done by themselves. It is not a forceful act. Once it is agreement is signed by both the parties and gone to the court, that will be a final where the court will accept things. And it doesn't mean we cannot go beyond law. Whatever the say parties, we cannot go beyond law. It is, we see to that according to legally only we do agreements. According to that only they have to go. Whatever they say, it doesn't mean what voluntary means. Whatever they say, we cannot. Certain legality and with the help of the advocates, we do see to that that is done. And we maintain the publics and the family members cordiality will be maintained. It won't be broken up. So it is better public come to the mediation than the arbitration. As I told you in the starting, that can be challenged, but here it cannot be challenged. See, that's what we say. It is not appealable, and once it is done, that will be a finality, and it is very fast nowadays. In mediation, when the people are coming for mediation, that is been referred through the court only. Even many other civil matters and the high court matters are referred to the mediation, and it is one speedy. And we are helping the court other way. Nothing but we are the children of the courts. We are helping them to sort out the matters in an easy way. Even the Muslim law OS matter, they filed talak was there. Now that also is being covered by filing OS. They come to the courts, they are solved here. And we see to that family members are being taken care. And mothers, they have to take care of the mother. That is also nowadays there. Even that is also we will be taking care. I hope I have taken up time, or is it still some time yours there? Hello?
Ma'am, still 5 minutes are there. You can continue.
Yeah, thank you for that. In while making the agreement, what we have to see that we see to that it is all the things are being covered up in the achieving the agreement. Doesn't mean half thing we do. We see to that if the property partition sketch we have to do everything unless until if they do the draft sketch part, whatever it is, they have to come with the sketch who and all. Like after going, they may have some problem that sketch is not proper, my portion is not proper. All those things cannot be done without doing those things. We see to that even that is being done, and so that they'll not go back to the court. We mainly see to that all those things is being covered here. And even the necessary parties who are there and sometimes connected to the parties like buyers or sellers, even if they are involved in these, even those people are invited. They are also coming to the court, and their problem also is being solved. Sometimes the property would have sold and it is not been they have registered and some rights is not proper. Even the rights cannot be done properly here. After coming to the mediation, they are also coming to the mediation. Once, unless until they are accepted, we cannot do it. Not happy with to the court. And even our skills, we are being trained since we have been trained as a mediator. So we have been taught, and we are having every year the classes for us. In a year, we have a training like upgrading our own mediation things. We have been done here, and even every month we have Mantana as such. We see to that we have been dressed up every day, every month. Not like we have become mediator. We did not study as such, and update new us, whatever is being done, that also we come across and we speak and we have the sessions in our own mediation, and we do that. And see to that cordial relationship with our mediators, our directors, and I thank them for making me as a mediator. I'm doing a wonderful job, and for some examples are there. Like 13B, they come actually. We have done everything now. We want to take divorce. Once we decision, we come to some issues are there which is not being done, so they go back to reunion. It doesn't mean 13 days come, we have to give the divorce, get ready and go. We don't do like that. We talk to them, then inner things, and we come to know, and many of them families it's been reunion and have come back, gone back to their families with happy go. All those small mistakes will be there. Some like it happens nowadays. They see the online whatever it is. Yeah, 13B we can file. Oh, let us get separate. That's what they do. But once if they come, their problems is solved because they won't speak or share the things with the other people, our family members. Nowadays, world has become the husband goes night or wife goes, they won't have the communication gap. So many things will be there. So all those which is not able to speak with their own husband or wife, they come here, they speak, they come out with happy thing, and sometimes they cry. After that, they'll be have the peaceful thing, and they will make them understand how the husband likes and how the wife likes, and what is there, what is the lacuna. We make them understand, and they go, and we tell them like the one this thing is there. Like see how many days you are happy, and how many you just draw a line. Is it how happy you are all these years, and how unhappy you just draw your line. We make them understand. They will come to know that yes, I'm sure I was happy for so many days, so many years. Maybe the fighting part and what reality, whatever it is, maybe a very short period. So that can be make them understand, go back to their family life and think what they have gained and what is the loss and how much is the loss, how much can it be adjustable. That is also being seen, and even the likewise the family partitions also they come with a spirit of fighting, and they want to divide and they don't want to see the faces of the each other brothers and mother or whatever it is. After they come here, they go with happily with brothers and mother, and not like they won't see back. That would be the spirit when they start fighting in their house. When they come for partition, it is better they come here only to the court, and after filing the cases, and our courts will refer to very first our court refer to mediation. So our mediation is there where the court will refer according to section 89. Then we are dealt with it. So I conclude in this with this, and thank you for Vaidyanathan and Kumar and Vipin and Sima, so that you were given opportunity to speak. And if any mistakes, I've seen many advocates, many of them would be there. I apologize if any mistake has been committed from me, and thank you.
Thank you, madam, for such an inspirational and a wonderful talk. You have very well explained a mediator's role for DV and divorce matters. Thank you, madam, for your valuable knowledge and information. Friends, please drop your questions and comments in a chat box so we can ask madam. One question is there, madam, for you. Madam, kindly tell us about how you are also panel advocate for Bangalore.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. You have to, 1 second.
No?
Anji, now you can continue.
Yeah, we have to apply for the mediation. Once we have come, like we have to be as an advocate for 15 years. And it is a decision of the court to take as a mediator as such. Doesn't mean that everyone, they have their own rules and regulations. According to that, they take 15 years of experience as advocate is necessary. And it is a honorary job, and it is not like for the money sake we try to see welfare of the public rather. It is not a like financial oriented, madam. Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I wanted to tell you, sorry, in the between I forgot. Sometimes if parties having psychological counseling becoming an arbiter, is it worth of psychology counseling after becoming the arbitrator? Yeah, that is your choice. See, sometimes in the family matters or whatever it is, we send in our court, psychiatrist madam will be there, and we send them to the psychiatrist. When we talk to the parties, we come to know some problems are there. We don't give advice as such. We are not here the advisors. Okay, we are not giving counseling as such here. So we send them to the psychiatrist. They will give the help for these people, and after going there, they come back to the mediation to whoever the mediator was there previous, and many of the matters have been solved through us. As far as like psychological many problems, if they go there, is my thing advice. Like sometimes the problems can be solved easily. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So now here we are coming to an end of session.
Okay.
Tomorrow, Tuesday, that is 14th July 2020, we are coming with one more new topic, that is need for strong data protection law in India. And we are going to listen very young and talented speaker guest, Supreme Court Advocate Khushbu Jain. And the moderator will be Advocate Purnata Rayani.
Okay.
Okay, it's my privilege to propose vote of thanks to Advocate Purnima, guest speaker of today's event, on behalf of Law and Society Alliance, Law Corp media partner of events, technical. Thank you all.
Thank you everybody. Today's event is over. We'll come back again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you all.
Everybody.
Thank you, sir.
For
Thank you.
Wonderful presentation. Thanks very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for giving an opportunity. I don't know how far it was good.
You're welcome, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye. Yeah, bye, madam.
Bye.